Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Maximizing utility for candy and gum sounds tricky, but we can solve this fast by looking at the marginal utility per dollar spent on each.
To maximize total utility given a budget, Josephine must ensure that the last dollar spent on candy provides the same satisfaction as the last dollar spent on her gum purchase.
This is expressed by the utility maximization rule, where we divide marginal utility by price for both goods. We are looking for the ratio where these two values are equal.
If one ratio were higher, she would buy more of that item. Therefore, the ratios must be equal, leading directly to option A.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.